Adding cash to your account is quick and easy. Select the Cash and Transfers menu and click on Add. You'll need to register a card on your account. Enter your details, and when you're done, click on Add Card. With your card added, choose the amount you wish to deposit and click Done. Your account has cash in it. With the card set up and cash in your account, the Manage Payments option in this menu allows you to see if payments are currently outstanding. When the time comes to withdraw or move money from your investments, click on Withdraw Transfer Cash. After opening the page, you will find your withdrawal options: bank transfer and internal transfer if you have more than one II account. To take money out of your portfolio, click Bank Transfer. Withdrawing cash requires you to hold details of your nominated bank account. If you haven't set one up, fill in the details and click Add. Or, to move money between your II accounts, click on Internal Transfer. You just need to fill in the details and select how much you want to move between the accounts. Remember, for extra security, we will always ask you for your dealing password when transferring or moving money. That's how you manage the money going into and out of your portfolio. And finally, to keep everything safe, don't forget to log out.